If you're seeing the Krita unknown error, don't worry. In most cases, it's caused by sudden RAM exhaustion or a conflict with background system processes. In this video, I'll walk you through a few practical fixes that can help Krita run more smoothly again. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and beginner-friendly tutorials. Let's get started. First, close any unnecessary background programs. Open Task Manager on your computer and look for anything that's using a lot of memory, like web browsers, games, streaming apps, or other heavy software. Right-click those apps and end the task so Krita has more system resources available. This step matters because Krita can throw an unknown error when your RAM is under too much pressure, especially if you have multiple apps open at the same time. Next, open Krita and go to Settings, then click Configure Krita. From there, select Performance. You should see a memory limit slider, and this is where you can give Krita a little more room to work. Move the slider higher, but not so high that it overwhelms your system. The goal is to find a better balance between Krita's memory usage and your computer's available RAM. After making the change, click OK or Apply if needed. Now, while you're still in the performance settings, look for any canvas logging or history saving options that may be turned on. If you see any active logging features, disable them. These background features can add extra strain to your system, and on lower memory computers, they may contribute to the unknown error. Reducing this overhead can help Krita stay stable while you paint, sketch, or edit your artwork. If the problem is still happening, the next step is to check your system files for corruption. Open the command prompt as administrator. To do that, search for command prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. Then type sfc/scan now and press enter. Windows will scan for broken system files and attempt to repair them automatically. This is a very useful step because sometimes Krita errors are caused not by Krita itself, but by damaged files in Windows that affect how programs run. If you recently updated Krita and the error started right after that, try using the portable version instead. Go to Krita's official archive and download the portable build. Portable versions are great for troubleshooting because they run separately from your main installation and can help you determine whether the issue is tied to the update, settings, or a specific install problem. If the portable version works fine, that's a strong sign the regular install may need to be reset or reinstalled. At this point, Krita should be much more stable. Remember, the unknown error usually comes down to memory pressure, system conflicts, or a corrupted file somewhere in Windows. Working through these steps one by one gives you the best chance of fixing it without wasting time. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.